Here comes your pre-market summary for Thursday, September 1st. Welcome to a brand new month. Futures, however, they're back in negative territory once again, coming off a bit of a choppy session to say the least. It was 4 in a row to the downside at the end of the day yesterday. That's the way things look right now. The NASDAQ leading the way once again, about 0.5% to the downside. The Dow 0.3%. S&P 0.3 as well, back in negative territory. Same story for crude oil. Another big move downside here this morning, 1.5%. Bitcoin red, Ethereum in positive territory. New month and new headlines to deal with surrounding chip makers. First off, that's the way the overall market looks right now. 4 days basically straight back to the downside. We're back to 395 on the SPY. Here's NVDA gapping to the downside in a big way this morning on this report that U.S. officials are set to ban exports of certain chip makers' AI-based chips to China. They have come out, NVIDIA has come out this morning and said, however, they are going to allow orders to be fulfilled up to September 1st, 2023. So they'll get 1 more year at least, but 4 pretty ugly days here for NVIDIA shares. This news and overall China tensions really affecting the big chips and big tech. Apple downside this morning ever so slightly. Microsoft downside ever so slightly this morning. Google, however, showing a little bit of relative strength. Snapback on watch. There's that big tech headline. There's also a new lockdown we'll talk about as well for China, COVID-related lockdown. If you can believe it, we're still talking about COVID-related lockdowns in China. Yeah, snapback on watch this morning. Trying to get higher here. It is holding most of the gains from yesterday's big move after that corporate update. Polestar moving around. They updated their half-year numbers. Chart's not working this morning, but we'll have a look at PSNY. There's a couple of these little high flyers as well to deal with. BGXX and HPCO. Yeah, that Hempaco, couple of days downside in a big way. We're back higher. 57% higher, to say the least, this morning in the pre-market. Grab the watch list, guys. We'll be joining you shortly. Comes right to your inbox now. Just use the QR code on screen. Enter your email, and we'll send it right to your inbox, as I said before we come on at 8:30. We'll see you shortly on TraderTV.Live.